We'll guide you through how to fix the touchpad not working in Windows 11. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This problem can be really annoying, as perhaps you're trying to go and just use your laptop and you pretty much can't without being able to go and use the touchpad or trackpad, as you can't go and move the cursor. Of course, you can go and sort of navigate using the keyboard, or perhaps if you go and plug in an external mouse, but we want to go and get the trackpad working. So let's go and dive straight into this. Make sure this full guide and don't skip anything, as we're covering different methods you can try. So make sure you give them all a go, and hopefully with the help of this video, we're going to be able to go and solve it. Let's go and get started. So what we're going to do is we first of all want to make sure that the touchpad and trackpad hasn't been disabled. And if it has, we can go and enable it again. What you want to do is you want to go and press the Windows key on your keyboard. This will go and open up. Now, what you want to do is you want to go and type in touchpad settings. I'm actually getting suggested it. And if you see it further down the list here, you can always go and use the arrow keys to go up or down. Then with it selected, press enter, and it's going to go and open up. So at the top here, we've got the touchpad and the on-off switch to the right. To go and turn this on, you just need to go and press the space bar. Now it's been enabled. Go and see if you're now able to go and use it. In some cases, you'll be able to. However, if you find that it still isn't working, don't worry. If I just go and keep pressing the tab key to the left here, you want to get that arrow selected. It should just be one after the on or off switch. You can go and press enter. And what you can do is, if you're trying to do this with a mouse connected, press tab again. Make sure that leave touchpad on when a mouse is connected is switched on. With that selected, press the space bar to go and enable it. If that doesn't work, the next thing you want to try doing is opening Device Manager. So you can go and press the Windows key at the bottom like so. And in here, you want to go and type in Device Manager. You should go and get suggested it quite quickly. And then with it selected, you can go and press enter, and it will then go and open up. Now, to go and navigate this, first of all, you need to go and keep pressing tab, or just press it once actually, until that top is selected like so. Then you can go and use the arrow keys and start going down. Keep going down until you go and have mice and other pointing devices selected, and press the right arrow key, and that will expand it. And then you should go and have the touchpad here. So select it, and you want to go and press enter. Now you want to go and press tab until you see that box go around general, and you want to go and use the right arrow key to go to driver. Then you need to go and press tab again. And once you go and have the driver details selected, press it again. And with update driver selected, press enter. And we can try doing an automatic search. Go and see if there's any update available. In this case, there isn't. So we'll then press tab to select closed and press enter. And then what you want to do is keep pressing tab until uninstall device is selected, and press enter. Then press tab again to go and select uninstall. And you want to go and press enter. Now what you need to do is you want to go and just wait, and you'll go and see it disappears. Now what we need to do is go and restart to go and refresh things, and it should go and reinstall it. So you can go and press the Windows key, and then you want to go and find tab. Keep pressing it until it goes and has the power selected like so, then press enter. And with the arrow keys, you can go down and have restart selected and press enter. Then it's going to go and restart. Now go and be patient. When it comes back on, hopefully the mouse and cursor is then going to go and be working. Now when it comes back on, you'll be able to go and use your touchpad and trackpad, as you can see.